Temesi Waterfall. Amazing. We've got a photo shoot happening on the side here. Bit of a canyon in here. We've got spring we saw. Still a little something. There's the bad boy. Quite gorge here, but luckily there's enough side to walk on. A little gorge on the way back. This stairs are wild.
Traffic light.
Go to Temesi Waterfall.
Turn left. That's what the sign says.
Okay, so day 4.5 technically. And yeah, we're on a little close waterfall here. We'll see what Temesi's like. Happy days. So far good weather, still no rain. Bit of a canyon in here. So this one already opened last year apparently. And 2,049 people apparently have been here. It's pretty interesting. Right, we can hear the water. It's raging. It says it opens at 8:30, but we're here at 8:15 and he's already there. So there you go. There we go, people. Stairs go down there, but mark being marked. Has to look at this random bit of spring coming out of the wall. Where waterfalls come from. It's nothing exciting, but hey, I hope to have a look. Alright, down to the big boy. Tight gorge here, but luckily there's enough side to walk on. We've got spring we saw. Still a little something. There's the bad boy. Temesi Waterfall. Amazing. We've got a photo shoot happening on the side here. There you go, early morning, trying to beat the crowds. Now, I think the path might keep going if I'm correct. Have a look. A little gorge on the way back. These stairs are wild. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that journey, short and sweet. A bit annoying I couldn't get perfect shots without the models in the way, but it is what it is. Anyway, on to the next one. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe for me. Hit the notification bell if you haven't already so you get notified of all the new misadventures. Catch you guys in the next one, eh? Peace out.